We'll guide you through how to do light leak transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, import a light leak overlay into the project panel. Drag the light leak overlay into the timeline and place it above both clips so it sits on the top layer. After placing the overlay, change its blend mode to screen so the dark areas become transparent and only the light effect remains visible. If the modes column is hidden, switch the timeline view to reveal blend modes. Next, trim the overlay layer so it only appears during the transition area. Adjust the beginning and ending points of the layer so it matches the overlap between both clips. After that, select the light leak overlay layer. Press T on the keyboard to open the opacity property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to opacity. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead location. Set the opacity low or at 0 at the start of the transition. Move the playhead forward slightly, then fade in the light leak by increasing the opacity value. Continue moving the playhead to the end of the overlap section, then fade it out after the transition by lowering the opacity back down. This creates a smooth burst of light during the scene change. While the light leak plays, reveal the second clip underneath so it becomes visible naturally as the first clip ends. The bright overlay helps hide the cut and creates a cinematic transition effect. After setting all keyframes, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Adjust the timing, opacity, or trim points if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your light leak transition is complete.